Good evening, friends. My name is Sunil Kumar, and today I will discuss with you all what should be the ultimate goal of our life. Many times people think to become doctor, engineer, lawyer, cricketer, film star, businessman, etc. These all are the ultimate goal of life. This misconception everybody has, but it is not like this. These all are short-term goal. We have come here in this metal world. So to maintain ourselves and our family, everybody has chosen different kind of professions, and so to earn to fulfill our needful desire, everybody need to earn some Lakshmi, some money. So these all are okay. Means, but sometimes people just hanker after all those things like anything. They think this is the only goal, becoming this, becoming that, uh, getting that, getting this. They just hanker like anything. So that is not good actually. uh, if it is needful, then it's okay. So then question arise in our minds, what should be the uh, ultimate goal of life. So ultimate goal of life is to inquire these questions: who we are, from where we comes from, who is God, what is the connection between us and God, why we have separated from God, and how and when we will go back to our real home, real abode, where God, where Krishna resides. So, but we never inquire ourselves these questions, because we are so much indulged, so much absorbed in this short-term goal. We never think about our ultimate goal. It is like this. So in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna say this metal word is dukhalyam asashvatam. Dukhalyam means full of misery. Asashvatam means temporary. So if this metal word is full of misery, lots of problems are here, and temporary means anytime it can be destroyed. So why we are planning lots of things? Uh, it's like suppose central jail is there and different cells are there. So I'm a beginner in that jail. So I have to accommodate it in one of the cell. Now I'm thinking, okay, now I'm a beginner in this cell. Okay, after a few years, I will get AC, I will get that, I will get opulent food, I will get nice chair, I will get nice TV. We never think how to get rid of, how to get out of this jail. We never think. That is the actual goal. Means even if you get AC, cooler, everything, you will be in jail only. So people never think about ultimate goal, how to get out of this jail. This metal world is like a jail only. And why Krishna is telling this full of miseries? So actually, most of the time people think this is the only, whether it is a hell, whether it is a heaven, on this planet Earth is the only all. So if it is like this, if this is the only place, then there is a lots of misery. We are becoming old day by day. Lots of disease are there. Lots of uh, mm, problems given by nature is there. So if this is the perfect place, this earth metal world, then why there is so much problem? It indicates this word is not the perfect word. This place is not the perfect place. So there is something. So where is the perfect place? There is something, na? So we should try to think, try to ask question beyond this conditioning. We are conditioned like this only. Okay, we are just indulge in this only. Okay, how to earn, how to eat, and how to do this, how to these things, this much only. We never think beyond these things. So that's why this is my humble request to all of you: go for scriptures, read Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, and our scriptures, then only you will get that encouragement and that motivation to ask yourself, and then you will try to get the answer of these questions actually. uh, okay, this much I will discuss with you all, and in my next videos I will try to uh, mm, extend the some questions and answer which is connected to this question, means which I am discussing with you all, what is the ultimate goal of life. So if you like my video, you can share and subscribe. Thank you very much.